Good morning. Quick Saturday morning video update for you on our snowstorm. We'll make this quick because everything is pretty much on track. We're still thinking we're going to get a healthy dumping of snow all day today with slick roads. A couple of webcams for you. Here's the scene in Girard this morning. That's a wintry scene, and over in Austintown, if you look carefully, you can see the snow coming down at a pretty good clip here. And this is the scene all throughout the valley this morning. Here's a look at the current radar as of about 9:20. We've got the steady snow. Now, one thing we're going to watch out for is around midday, there might be actually a little break, or the snow is going to let up for a time. Here's this little pocket of drier air. This will visit. It won't stick around for too long, I don't think, but the snow will probably let up some here late this morning before picking back up this afternoon. I think the bullseye with the snowfall accumulations will be close to the Ohio River and then into the mountains of West Virginia. Anywhere south of that bullseye, they're running into more problems with ice than snow. But Parkersburg, Marietta, Athens, Chillicothe, and heading over towards Clarksburg, West Virginia, Morgantown, pretty good dumping of snow over there. Here's the current radar. Let's take a look at some models real quick, or just one model. High resolution rapid refresh model. This is our sharpest, highest resolution computer model that we have. It only goes out 15 hours in time. There'll be a day when we have models this good that go out several days, but we're not there yet, unfortunately. All right, let's take a look at midday here. Here's 11 o'clock. Notice in the middle of the state how the blues become much lighter and even turn to white. So that's that little pocket of drier air that'll push in and cause the snowfall rates to decrease for at least a brief time, right around maybe 11 or noon. Then as we get into the afternoon, things are going to pick up again. Here's 2 o'clock. If you look carefully, this red squiggly line is the 32-degree line. Temperatures are still rising this morning, and by afternoon, we'll get up close to freezing. That's going to help us out, especially on the main roads. Salt works much more efficiently when it's close to freezing. You'll get some melting going on high traffic, highly traveled roads. So that's going to help out the major roads, particularly as we get into the afternoon. So here's 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, and 4 o'clock. And as we go towards sunset from northwest to southeast, things are going to wind down fairly quickly. Here's 5 p.m. I think it's still snowing fairly decently, especially from Youngstown south and east at 5. But past sunset, it's gone. This is 7 o'clock this evening. The snow is quickly diminishing to flurries, so I think a good end time on average for the snow will be right around 7, maybe right at or just after sunset this evening. So we've got a long day ahead of us. This is going to be different than last Saturday. Last Saturday's snow came and went in squalls. You went from being okay to all of a sudden having a whiteout, and then the sun would try to peek out. Today it's just a good, steady, light to moderate snow. So the nature of it is a little bit different. It's also going to be a wetter snow this afternoon, much better for making snowballs. Here's a look at our forecast. Just about the entire viewing area in the 5 to 6 inch zone. Maybe just a little bit less northern Trumbull, northern Mercer, maybe 3 to 4 up there, but a solid 5 to 6, we think, for our viewing area. So be safe out there. Take your time if you have to go out. You'll get there. This is not the kind of whiteout situation we had last weekend. But it is certainly a hazard on the roads, so if you have to go out, use a little common sense. Otherwise, stay in, read a book, catch up on your Netflix, and enjoy the rest of your weekend. I'll have a few more updates on social media throughout the day.